Iran has taken a major step forward in its missile and drone capabilities with the official unveiling of the 359 Loitering SAM, surface-to-air missile, UAV, Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, a next-generation version of its 358 Loitering Munition system. Specifically engineered to engage and destroy high-altitude military aircraft, such as airborne warning and control systems, AWACS, and aerial refueling tankers, the 359 represents a significant leap in Iran's homegrown defense technology. The new 359 Loitering Munition system has been developed to cover long-range targets. It can strike from distances over 150 kilometers with an impressive altitude of over 9,000 meters, approximately 30,000 feet. It reaches speeds of up to 1,000 kilometers per hour, enhancing its ability to intercept fast-moving aircraft with high precision. The unveiling of the 359 is the culmination of years of development, building on the success of the earlier 358 Loitering Munition. The 358 was successfully deployed in regional conflicts, notably in operations against American MQ-9 Reaper drones, which served as a demonstration of Iran's growing UAV and loitering munition capabilities. The 358 had proven its effectiveness in disrupting high-value, low-flying targets, but the 359 represents a significant upgrade, especially in terms of range and altitude. While the 358 was more suited to countering drones and low-flying aircraft, the 359 is now capable of engaging much more robust targets, such as AWACS, refueling tankers, and other high-altitude surveillance and command aircraft. These are considered key assets for air superiority and strategic command in modern warfare. The 359 Loitering SAM UAV comes with several enhancements that mark a significant leap in terms of its operational effectiveness. With a range capable of engaging targets over 150 kilometers, it greatly expands Iran's ability to protect its airspace and attack aerial targets deep within enemy territory. The missile is also capable of operating at altitudes of 9,000 meters, 30,000 feet, making it suitable for targeting high-altitude military aircraft that are typically out of reach for conventional surface-to-air missiles, SAMs. Additionally, the 359 can reach speeds of up to 1,000 kilometers per hour, enabling it to intercept and neutralize fast-moving aircraft. Loitering munitions, like the 359, have become an increasingly critical asset in modern warfare due to their precision, flexibility, and ability to engage a wide variety of targets, both stationary and moving. For Iran, the development of such munitions offers several strategic advantages. First, the 359 provides the capability to target high-value aircraft that are crucial for enemy air superiority, such as AWACS and aerial tankers. These aircraft play a vital role in providing surveillance, intelligence, and logistical support, making them prime targets in any conflict. Second, the 359 offers a cost-effective solution compared to more traditional air defense interceptors. In a region where Iran has faced technological constraints and economic sanctions, developing loitering munitions offers an affordable and efficient way to enhance its defense capabilities without the need for highly sophisticated, expensive systems. Loitering munitions are also highly versatile, enabling Iran to deploy them in a variety of conflict scenarios, whether for protecting critical infrastructure or engaging in offensive operations against adversary aircraft. Furthermore, loitering munitions can be used in layered defense strategies. The 359 can complement traditional SAM systems, creating a more robust and flexible air defense network. With their ability to loiter over a target area and make real-time decisions about when and where to strike, loitering munitions offer advantages over traditional missile systems that require a predetermined trajectory and target lock-on. The 359 is part of Iran's broader strategy to enhance its indigenous defense capabilities, particularly in the face of regional tensions and technological asymmetry with more advanced powers. Iran has increasingly focused on developing a range of unmanned aerial systems, UAS, and loitering munitions over the past decade. From the Shahed 131 and Shahed 136 to the 358, these systems have gained attention for their use in regional conflicts, including operations in the Middle East and in the ongoing war in Ukraine, where Russian forces have used Iranian-made drones. The 359 marks the latest phase in this ongoing effort. By improving its ability to target and engage high-altitude, high-value aircraft, Iran enhances its capacity to defend its airspace and disrupt the operations of foreign powers in the region.